In this video, we will learn how to use Xlookup in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data, HSN code, product name, monthly sales and total sales. I want to find all detail as per the HSN code. So here I am using Xlookup is equal to Xlookup tab. Lookup value is HSN code. Lookup array is HSN column. Then return array means output. What you want here output. So we want here output all details, product, monthly sales and total sales. So here I'm select the all columns and bracket close. But here you see all details comes in horizontal way, but we want in vertical type. So just edit your formula and use here transposed formula. Tap it and close here bracket and just enter. That's it. Here you see all data is converted in vertical. If I change here the adjacent code, then data will be changed as per the adjacent code details. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.